going to make a beaded ring, and I'm actually using metal silver beads this time. Last time I did an acrylic bead. This is 0.8mm, and I'm just going to just for making it easier to tie, I'm just going to cut 10 inches. It just helps for showing you as a tutorial. I am going to thread 6 beads. I forgot to say, I've put a bead clip stroke stationery clip on the end of the elastic just to stop the beads from falling off. Okay, so there we have 6 beads, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our elastic and we're going to go back through the very first bead. So I'm going to take this off now. So there we have our 6 beads, and we're going to go back through this bead. There we go, and then we pull. So it forms a circle like that. Just going to pull it along. We want it in the center of our elastic. Then we are going to add a focal bead to the middle, and I am adding a 3mm pearl bead. So then it's like this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to 1, 2, 3, I'm going to go back into 1, 2, 3, this, and thread it through. There we go. Let me pull that tight. This is what we're left with. So what I'm then going to do is thread 6 beads either side. Now you would need to measure your finger, or whoever you're making it for. You may need to put less beads, you may put more beads. Go in, I can see the hole. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 6 one side, we'll do 6 the other. So that's what it looks like now. And I think I'm going to put an extra bead each side. So that's 7. So it's looking like this. So then we tie. going to go tie it the other way, so just opposite to what we've done, and tie again. And then what I would suggest is to put some, let's give it a pull, is to actually put some glue on the knot that you have. Now you can't see, but that knot has actually gone back into the bead, which is great because it will hide it. So we cut it there, like so. So that's 7 beads each side, 4 millimeters. It's got a 3 millimeter pearl in the middle, and that has created an M size ring, or a 6, or a 6.5 if you're in the US. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of tutorials available. It'd be lovely to have you. So take care. Thank you for watching. Bye.